Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I'm one of the founders of PickPath. Welcome back to the PickPath How-To series, where we show you how to build an app-guided experience using our innovative platform. So in this series, we've already looked at the basics of building the Creator Studio, plus more of the advanced features. And in this video, we're looking at how to use geolocation in your PickPath project. So geolocation is a tool to direct your audience to a particular physical location before they can continue. It can only be used outside, but there's plenty of ways with PickPath to guide people to the place you want them to go. Geolocation is unique because it utilizes the inbuilt location and orientation hardware in the phone to get them there. So the first thing you do is create a step in your experience. We're working on an existing experience that, if you've been following the series, will know is a treasure hunt for my nieces. I'm going to create a step and choose Navigate. And then you're going to hit the edit icon and you are in the editor. Now you're going to change this content here from text to either geomap or compass. And these are just two different ways of doing geolocation. Basically, geomaps shows your audience an actual map that they can follow, and compass shows them an arrow that points them in the right direction and lets them know how far away they are in meters from their location. So I'm going to use the compass because I just think that that will be more fun for my nieces to follow along. So I'm going to change this text to compass, and I'm going to change the bottom content to text. And then I'm going to head to my text tab, and now I'm going to write, now that you're dressed like a treasure hunter, it's time to go outside. Your next piece of treasure is waiting for you at your favorite place. Their favorite place at the time of writing is the playground. Then I'm going to go to the Navigate tab that has appeared, and you'll see that it's asking for coordinates, which are actually really straightforward to find. So I'm going to go to this other tab I have open, which is Google Maps, and you'll see that I've starred the playground, which is really close to their house. So all you're going to do is you're going to right-hand click on your location of choice, and the coordinates are going to come up. It's the first thing on the menu. So then I'm going to click those, copy to clipboard, and I'm going to copy and paste them across. Latitude is always first, so I'm going to bring the longitude down here, get rid of that. So I've added my coordinates. Now I'm going to go back to my general tab, and the continue button down the bottom, which is what you'd hit when you found your destination. The text in there right now is located, but I'm going to change that to we've arrived. Just a little bit more jazzy for the girls. And then I'm actually going to go back to my Navigate tab. So your tolerance radius in meters, when you use this function, we suggest setting a generous tolerance. In most cases, we'd suggest 10 or 15. Depending on the phone position of satellites, the proximity to tall buildings, etc., the GPS can vary in its accuracy. So because my location, the playground, is pretty open area and it doesn't need to be super specific, I'm going to make this number 10. Sometimes you might want to allow people to continue whether they've reached that location or not. And in that case, you can simply combine it with a continue button. So you can in fact combine it with any other interaction type. For example, you might want to navigate people to a location where they can find a clue and they need to write that clue into an input box. So to do that, you could combine either geomaps or a compass with an input interaction. As with any other content fields, you can have a top and a bottom section. So if you want to give more clues as to where people are going, you can combine it with text or pictures. You can even combine geomap and compass together for the ultimate navigation system. Depending on the experience you're creating, you might want to give a little bit more of a failsafe, and that's when hints come in especially handy. So I'm going to write the instruction on how to get there directly into the hint. And just to make sure nobody misses the hint, I'm going to write, use the hint if needed, with side arrow into the heading. So I'm going to put use the hint if needed. Okay, my hint is leave your house, go down to the beach, turn right. You know the place. They're here every day. Okay, and then I'm going to link my last step up with my geolocation. And that is all on our navigate features in PickPath. If you want to learn more about building on this platform, check out our other videos in this series.